If an employee were to ask me in the hallway, so, Wright, what can I do to be part of all this change? I'm hearing from my manager, hearing from my director, I'm hearing from my vice president, I'm hearing from my leader that all this stuff is happening. What do you need us to do? I'd answer that question with a few points. First, I'd say we want you to embrace change, to be open to the fact that Henry Ford is constantly working to get better. And we need you as an employee to be part of that process. So I'd ask you to be open to change. Secondly, I ask you to help us take intelligent risks. Anytime you make change, you have to take some risks. And as the person doing the work, fulfilling the mission on the ground, I would ask you to help us take risks that make sense, but not risks that would endanger you as an employee or our patients or customers. I'd ask you to be agile. I'd ask you to be open-minded. I would ask you to ask questions, to challenge what we're doing and ask those questions expecting feedback from us. I would ask you to hold both yourself and us accountable to being better tomorrow than we are today. I would ask you to eagerly support your colleagues, your co-workers, by giving them positive support and appreciation. I would ask you to remember that we exist not for ourselves, but for the customers and patients and members that we are entrusted with. I would ask you to keep that in mind, that at times when it seems like we're making lots of changes, remember that what we're trying to do is do things that's better for that customer, for that patient, for that member, for that family member, and that if it's worth it for them, then it's got to be worth it for us. And lastly, I would ask you to stay committed. Henry Ford has a 102-year legacy of doing amazing things in our communities. I want to ask you to stay committed to the mission, vision, and purpose of the organization to be better tomorrow than we are today.